Hi Lincoln Charter School artists. Today we're going to be drawing a great wave in the style of hokusai. So let's get started. We're going to be holding our paper horizontally side to side, and you're going to write your name, and you're going to write your room number, and then you are going to flip over your paper so that I can't see your name anymore. We are going to be drawing first with pencil, and then after we draw in pencil, we'll outline with Sharpie and add color. Now, to make your wave, it's just a curvy line. So I'm going to make a curve like this, and you can just draw along with me. Make a big curve, nice and tall, because this is going to be a great big wave, and it's going to go to a point. So go ahead and make that curve on your paper. Then I'm going to start at my point, go back down, and make a curvy line. And these are nice, big, rolling waves. Don't make it too tiny. You're gonna drive yourself crazy if you draw too tiny for this project. Now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to start adding some extra curvy lines. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm gonna always start at this point. I'm gonna make more curvy lines right underneath. Start at the point, some more curvy lines, and then if you run out of space, your last line can just kind of go like this and go off the page. So now I have my great wave, just like hokusai. Now I'm ready to make my background, and for my background, I'm going to draw a sun because our wave is going to be with the cool colors, and we're going to draw a sunset in the background with the warm colors. So I'm gonna start with a circle for my sun, and it does not have to be a perfect circle. It's pretty much impossible to draw a perfect circle. And then around that sun, I'm gonna start making some bigger rings. So there's another circle, another circle, and you see how it's starting to go off the page? I can't even draw the whole circle. And then maybe I'll do another line just to kind of show there's a really big circle right here. So that looks pretty good to me. When you're completely finished with your drawing, you're ready to trace it with a Sharpie marker. And we're just going to go in and we're going to trace on top of all of our pencil lines with the Sharpie marker. So I will work on tracing my project, and after I'm finished tracing, I will check back in with you again. Okay, so now I have everything traced and I'm ready to start coloring. So I will be using the cool colors to color my wave. So your choice of markers for the cool colors are blue, any shade of purple, and green. So we're going to be using the cool colors. Remember, when you color with a marker, just make sure you're doing your best job to color in all the white spaces. And when you're finished coloring, don't forget to hear the marker make that click noise. I have so many markers dry out because students don't close their marker the right way. And I am going to, when I color my wave, I'm going to make each line, each curvy stripe that I created, a different color. So if I pick blue here, I'm going to pick a different color for my next line. And I like to use the side of my marker and just try to fill everything up so I don't see any white spaces. And if your marker's dried out, please let me know because I always have more that I can give you. So I'm clicking my marker, I'm done with the blue, and I will start my next color. When I'm finished coloring my wave, I will check back in with you again. Wow, what a hand workout, but I love how my cool color wave turned out. Now I'm ready to do my sunset sky. So to do that, I'm actually going to flip my paper upside down. That way I can reach my sky a little bit more easily when I color. So remember, for the sky, you're going to use the warm colors, so you can use red or pink or orange or yellow. So I'm going to get started on my sky, and then I'll check back in with you when I'm completely finished. Okay, and here is my finished wave project. I'm really happy with how all the colors are so bright and vibrant. So just to review, I used the cool colors and curving lines to make my wave like Hokusai, and then I made a sunset sky by making circles with the warm color. I can't wait to see how your projects turned out.